Alrighty everybody, welcome to the video. I hope that the audio is okay. I cannot seem to find my microphones anywhere, but I feel like this camera will probably have good enough microphones for this, which is just an unboxing because today, well, it's the day. The Galaxy Z Trifold. A phone that costs more than certain cars. As you can see from the receipt right here. Oh, sorry. I'm sitting to the side of the camera and it is all messed up. This phone, an hour ago, cost me almost $3,200. It folds one more time than the Z Fold 7. So let's see if $1,000 is worth an extra fold, as this is about a $2,000 phone. Now, I was also told by the guy at Samsung that there were roughly 400 of these available total, and you have to live by a Samsung store to get one. There was somebody from London there. There was multiple people from faraway states, California, and what have you. Why they came up here, maybe they don't have a Samsung experience in California, I'm actually not sure. Or everybody and their mother was going, so I don't really know. But yeah, there's 400 of these. Not entirely sure how I got my hands on one because I just bought it on the internet as soon as it came out, but here we go. Let's get this. It's not every day that you get to unbox a $3,000 tri-folding device. Hopefully we'll get Apple's folding phone this year as well, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all of that. I will also be doing a 1 week with this phone, initial impressions video with this phone, and everything else. I'm stalling. I'm starting to shake. I mean, this has been very anticipated. I did not think I'd be able to get my hands on this, but here we go. The Z Trifold. Pick this up. This is the accessories. So if we go ahead and open this, I mean, most of you guys have probably already seen this. All the big wig YouTubers, you know, they got to spend their money and imported it. So here we have a case. Accessories, which is a charger. I wonder if this case would fit, but we're just gonna use that. And here it is. Let's go ahead and pick this up. This is the first time I'm feeling the device, seeing the device. They had it at the store, and I refused to even go take a look at it. Wow. I will say, initial impressions in the hand. It doesn't necessarily feel like this should be in my hand. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be, comparative to what people were saying about the Z Fold 7, but you know, I bet folded with the weight not as distributed, it's probably a little worse, but look at that. Very shiny phone. Flip it over. Oh man. All right, let's put that just to the side for a quick second here. Is there anything else in the box? Doesn't actually look like it. Oh, there it is. Never mind, I lied. There is the charger. 45 watts. Now, here is, again, the device. Let's go ahead and do a peel test. I will say, Samsung, this is how you sell a device of this stature. All right, it's got to come with some stuff. I also love the carbon fiber look on the back. But all right, here we go. Oh my goodness, it just feels so surreal. I mean, it really does. This is a $3,000 phone. Just look at that. Super, super thin. I mean, super thin. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Oh, that was kind of a good one. Let's go ahead and turn it on. After this, I will get it kind of set up. It might even be dead. It does look like my unit might have come dead. It's been very cold here, so maybe the cold kind of killed it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold this up. Oh, there it is. I don't know why the initial boot took so long. But I'm gonna set this up, switch my main SIM card from this guy to this one, and play with it. Get my initial impressions, and I will come at you guys with an initial impressions video here, hopefully shortly, today or tomorrow. And then we'll daily this device, and we will be not nice to it, and we'll see how well it holds up over time. Wow. You know, I actually kind of like the extra girth it has. It is quite a bit heavier, but man. All right, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go set this up. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more on Z Fold 7 and so many more phones. And hopefully we'll have a little bit of a better setup next time. But anyway, guys, make sure to check out other reviews and stuff as well. This is a big day for the tech world in America and other places. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.